Polgado steal the ball. And there's Polgado. Pass to Marco. Marco, 2 points. Number 20. Pass to number 23. Back to number 20. Steal na naman. Pero makakukuha dito ni Ramos ang bola. Ramos, full of for 3. No basket. Here's number 23. Number 01. 2 points. Marco received the ball. Pass to Manaloto. Manaloto dribbling the ball. To Polgado. Back to Manaloto for 3. Rebound by Carfio. Out of bounds. Ball possession. To Batang Tubi, SPCT. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Polgado for the inbound. Pass to Marco. And there's Polgado. Ang lalim nun pero naipasok pa din. 2 points by Polgado ang ating score. 33-14. Number 23 to 20. Still by Endaya. Endaya to Marco. Marco to Manaloto. Manaloto fouled. Fouled by number 20. Mendoza. Marco may hawak ng bola. Manaloto full of for 3. No basket. Endaya for the rebound. And there's Polgado for 3. 3 points by Polgado. Number 23 dribbling the ball. Two points by Oracion. Manaloto may hawak ng bola. Pass to Marco. Maisisave pa dito. Mendoza. To Panisan. Out of bounds. Ball possession to Batang Tubi. Mendoza to number 23. Full of for 2. No basket. Umali for rebound. To Manaloto. To Polgado. To Endaya. Endaya fouled by number 7 Oracion. Endaya first free throw, no basket. And there's the second free throw, no basket again. Ball possession to Batang Gatid. Marco to Manaloto to Umali. Umali naghahanap ng mapapasahan. Back to Manaloto. Mabibitawan ng bola. Here's Mendoza dribbling the ball. Mendoza to number 23. To Ramos. Agne for 3, no basket, and Daya secured the ball. Pass to Marco. Marco dribbling the ball. Ibibigay kay Polgado. Polgado for the layup. No basket. Fouled by number 01. Panisan.
Third personal foul. Third team foul.